Hey guys, today we're going to do some password resets and we're going to check out the group policy section in Active Directory. We're actually going to simulate doing a password reset for a client or for a user. So this is a common thing IT people do, and I'm going to simulate this inside Active Directory inside of Azure. So we're going to do this. So let's first start off by signing off. So right now we have just a regular user that we created from one of our the previous video where we created 1000 users with a PowerShell script, and we installed Active Directory and do some pinging, and we connected the client machine to our Active Directory domain. So that's what we did for the previous video. This was the code. So we're gonna log off of this user because we're gonna simulate a lockout effect. So let's try logging in, but this is just demonstration purposes to show you that currently the user is not locked out. So we can go here, and we're simply going to use Kevin. So Giovanni domain.com/Kevin PASSWRD 0123. Okay. Perfect. Kevin is good. So you can see Kevin is good. So let's sign out of Kevin. And let's lock Kevin of this virtual machine. So I don't need this. Okay. Same. And let's Giovanni domain.com/Kevin. This will not lock Kevin out actually because we're going to need to set up the group policy. So let's show you. So this is my first attempt. Okay, this is my second attempt. Okay, my third attempt. And my fourth attempt. Okay, so no messages. This is my fifth. Alright, so, and if we type the correct password, we'll be automatically logged in. So let's set up our group policy. So we're gonna click Tools and Group Policy Management. Usually it'll be like this. So you just need to go down the hierarchy. Domains, we're gonna choose our domain. We're gonna have our group policy object, then group policy, and let's check out settings. Close. We don't need Windows Explorer. So this is our current default group policy. So we have our domain. So it's just the basics that would be set. Minimum password age, 1 day, the character length. But currently our lockout threshold is at 0, meaning there is no configuration at all. So we're going to configure that by going to Edit. And let's go to, I'll show you how to, navigate this, because it could be hard to find where you want to go. So with this, they made it easy. So we just need to go to Computer Configuration. So this is just general, but if we go Computer, so we're in Computer Configuration, then we have Policies, then we have Windows Settings, and then let's make this bigger. Okay, so now we're gonna have Security Settings, and then Account Policy, and we're gonna do Lockout, or Lockout Policy. So we don't have no configuration. So let's set up our lockout policy to 3 attempts. And let's apply. Okay, so because the value of account lockout threshold is now 3 invalid logon attempts, the settings for the following items will be changed. to the suggested values. So it's going to be account duration 10 minutes. That's how you're going to be locked out for 10 minutes. Okay, and okay. So we're going to lock out Kevin right now. So let's go here. Okay, so let's check on our virtual machine. Let's do a restart. And let's do a refresh also. So let's go. So let's go to log in. Let's copy IP. Connect. Continue. Okay. Okay, so we couldn't connect to the remote PC because the user account has been locked due to too many sign-in or password change attempts. Wait a little while and then try connecting again, or contact your network administrator for assistance. We will be that network administrator. So currently the user is locked out, Kevin. So if it took a while, if it took a while, just refresh, restart, and it should be up and running. So let's unlock this user's account. So we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to go to Active Directory, Users and Computers. So the user was Kevin. So we had Kevin as an employee. Let's go right click or double click, Properties. And as you can also see, we can do like quick stuff here. But let's go to Properties and Accounts, and we can see Unlock Account. This account is currently locked out on this Active Directory domain. So we can click Unlock Account, and then we can also change the password. So let's also change the password. So apply. So he's unlocked, and we can also change the password. So let's change password reset, and let's do a SSWORD 01234. So perfect. We don't really need to click this because we already unlocked the user account. So we can click OK. Kevin account has been changed. Perfect. And then let's try logging in with Kevin. And he should be up. Can get my hands on this. Okay, perfect. So let's connect with Kevin. GIOVANNI domain.com/Kevin PASSWORD 01234. That's the new password we gave Kevin, and Kevin is up and his health is 100%. So Kevin just logged in. Perfect. So we just simulated a user being locked out, and we just unlocked the user's account, and now the user is able to work and be productive in their job. So we just saved the day.